Hello students, myself Ramnivas, PGT English, and today we are going to discuss the perfect continuous tenses. As we have already discussed 30 parts of the tense, means indefinite, continuous and perfect. First of all, identification. Present perfect continuous tense, टाइम प्लस मेन वर्ब प्लस रहा है. पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस टाइम प्लस मेन वर्ब प्लस रहा था, एंड फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस टाइम प्लस मेन वर्ब प्लस रहा होगा. नेक्स्ट इज द टर्म ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट हैज बीन, द रेस्ट सब्जेक्ट हैव बीन. फर्स्ट ऑफ प्लस आईएनजी. पास्ट ऑल टाइप ऑफ सब्जेक्ट हैड बीन, फर्स्ट ऑफ प्लस आईएनजी. एंड फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस फर्स्ट पर्सन सब्जेक्ट shall have been, second third will have been, and in all the three perfect continuous tenses first of plus ing is used. This tense is somewhat unique because since and for is a different part of this tense, point of time since, period of time for. In the end of the sentence we must use since or for plus time. Affirmative sentence. First of all, I would like to tell on which of the time we shall use since. Morning, noon, evening, night, midnight, yesterday, tomorrow, and last plus time. These are shown according to since and the rest time according to for. First of all, affirmative subject helping verb first form ing the subject. This is the formation of continuous tense. But if we add since or for plus time, it becomes the formation of the perfect continuous tense. Example: सुबह से वर्षा हो रही है. It has been raining since morning. Next, same is the formation of past tense. मैं आधे घंटे से पुस्तक पढ़ रहा था. I had been reading a book for half an hour. And future formation is the same. दादी जी सायंकाल से कहानी सुना रही होगी. The grandmother will have been telling story since evening. Next, negative subject has or have plus not plus mean first form plus ing plus object. When the helping verb has two parts, not never is used between the two. बच्चे 10 मिनट से नहीं खेल रहे हैं. The children have not been playing for 10 minutes. Past tense formation same but had subject plus had plus not plus been. Same is the process of the formation. वह दोपहर से नहीं सो रहा था. He had not been sleeping since noon. And in future tense subject plus shall be plus not have been first form plus ing plus subject plus since or plus time. मैं 2 दिन से गृह कार्य नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I shall not have been doing homework for 2 days. And next is the turn of interrogative sentence. Has or have in present imperfect continuous tense. Has or have plus subject plus mean plus first form plus ing plus subject and since or plus time. क्या तुम बचपन से झूठ बोल रहे हो? Have you been telling a lie since childhood? Next is the past perfect continuous tense. Had plus subject plus being plus first form plus ing and the rest is the same part. क्या लड़के पिछले 1 घंटे से दौड़ लगा रहे थे? Had the boys been running a race since last 2 hours? Since last. Due to last, since is used. And in future perfect continuous tense shall, will plus subject plus mean plus first form plus ing plus object and the rest is the same process. क्या चपरासी 2 मिनट से घंटी बजा रहा होगा? Will the peon have been ringing the bell for 2 minutes? And as the second part of interrogative means interrogative plus negative, as we have already discussed in 2 parts. Subject plus note, same formation, helping verb plus subject plus note. For example, we may see in this sentence, क्या तुम बचपन से झूठ नहीं बोल रहे हो? Have you not been telling a lie since childhood? And in the past, after subject not, same in the future tense. When the sentence is of double family, according to the same process in interrogative, has, have, but WF is used before has or have. WF plus has or have plus subject plus being, first form plus ing plus object plus sixth form plus time. In the all three parts, WF is used before shall or will, before had, before has or have. But this tense is somewhat other type also give. When since or for is used before time, but when time is asked, it is a unique situation. For example, तुम कब से पढ़ा रहे हो? Since when have you been teaching? Since when have you been teaching? Means since when, because it is the time, and since and for is used before the time. If the sentence is वह कितनी देर से सो रहा था? For how long? Had he been sleeping? In this type, for is used before how and since is used before when, because all of these are to show the time, and when the time is asked, since and for is used before that time. Thank you.